Hi Ben, it's me Braxton. Today I'm playing Thomas. Watch me play. It's me Braxton. This I going to open the door. Quack quack, quack quack. I'm going to open the toy. I'm going to open the toy. I'm going to open the toy. And I hope, and I hope. Wait! Join me! I like it! That's friends. I'm going up in these toys. I got some of the tray, this big one, and the small ones. Show 'em. Thanks, friends. Hey, you think I got this big one in my cubby? I'm going to open that. I'm clever. Open those. Mommy, I need help. I'm whipping it. This is my little muscle. And this. I'm going to do that now.
Did you get two of the same choo-choos?
Oh, yes. Now let's build this. Let's build this. Then second mess, like this. The second mess was this. And the second mess was this. Hey! I said it this. I said, don't say this and this. Don't say this and that. Hey, that's the goes. It goes. It goes. The spoon goes away. What's to open the strength. Yeah. thinking game. And I'm the clever. Yay! Mommy, the second piece was this.
Where's your straight piece? Need your straight piece. Give me your straight piece.
My straight. I'm going to have these. There's something a problem.
Oh, let's go get a screwdriver. Oh no, how's it supposed to go through?
Okay.
No, wait just a second.
Okay. Now it's going to do.
Okay, turn it on. Braxton, say it. What did I say?
We going classic. Superpower. Bam! Like finally, way out of here. We're watching and still watching. Things are coming